How are you, learners? So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a 90 degrees angle and a 60-degree angle under the topic locus. So you're going to be needing a compass for measuring the angle, and a protractor for drawing the angle, a ruler, and of course a rubber. And I do have another long pencil for perfect drawings. So the first thing that you want to do is draw a straight line. So that will be a faint straight line. So I'm going to come here and draw my faint straight line, right? It can be of any length, right? Then on that line you have to measure A, B. That will be the points. So this is going to be my point A, and this is going to be my point B. So let me just write A and B. Now after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and darken the line AB, like so. Okay, so this is going to be my line AB. Then nextly, you want to construct an arc along the line AB. So you can open your protractor to any length of your own choice. So I'm gonna have to choose this one, then I'm gonna draw the arc. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw my arc, like so. So this is going to be my arc. Then after drawing the arc, you're going to have to open the protractor to the length of your own choice, but it's better to open it to just a little bit, maybe something like 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters right there on the protractor. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up to 4.5 centimeters. Then you touch on this side of the protractor, then you draw another arc, like so. Then you also draw another arc on top, like so. Then you come on the other side of the arc, then you also draw an arc, like so, and another arc on the bottom, like so. And you notice that you're going to be having these 2 points where the arcs are crossing each other. That is where you want to come here and draw a straight line, like so. So this angle right here is going to be equal to 90 degrees. You can see that by taking out your compass, then you come and you place it right there. You can see that it is perfectly 90 degrees. So this is how you draw 90 degrees. Now moving on to the next angle, this is going to be a 60 degrees. So this is how you draw a 60 degrees. First thing, you draw a faint straight line just like that on the 90 degrees, and this has to be a straight line, right? A faint straight line. Then on that line, I'm just gonna have to measure, let's say 6 centimeters. So I take out my protractor and my ruler, then I measure 6 centimeters, like so. It can be 6 centimeters, it can be 5 centimeters, it can be 7, but in this case I'm going to be using the 6 centimeters. So as you guys can see, this is my 6 centimeters, right? So I'm just gonna have to come here and mark, this is going to be my 6 centimeter right there, and I also come here and mark 6 centimeters, like so. So I now have point A and point B, which are 6 centimeters apart. Then I go on point A, then I'm gonna have to draw an arc, like so. And remember, it's still 6 centimeters. Then I also go on point B, then I draw another arc, so. And you guys can see there is a point where these 2 arcs are meeting up or are connecting up. That is where I construct my 60 degrees. So let me just take this ruler, which is much better for you guys to see. So I'm gonna have to join these 2 lines, like so. This angle that I just constructed will be exactly equal to 60 degrees. As you guys can see, it's exactly equal to 60 degrees. So this angle will be 60 degrees, and this is how you construct 60 degrees. And till we meet again.